Hey guys, I'm hiding right now. Sebastian is putting our luggage in the car. We have organized a little staycation in LA and he knows where we're going, but I've organized some really romantic surprises for when we get there. He thinks we're going like for work. This video is sponsored by Biossance, so Seba thinks that we're purely going for that, like to film some skincare content at the hotel, but I've actually booked it for him. So I've booked a really nice suite with a beautiful view. I've got gifts, I've got flower petals, roses, jewelry, fruit platters, chocolate. I've got it like all organized. So we're on the road, we've got all our stuff packed in the car and we're ready for the journey. The journey is really far.
The time right now is 12:55 and we will be there at 1:23 p.m.
Big road trip to our final destination.
Huge.
We're just gonna chill and do couple-y stuff and eat well and relax, and we're definitely gonna watch The Haunting of Bly Manor because we've been watching that. Sebastian's obsessed. You wanted to watch it this morning. Who watches a horror in the morning? Anyway, we're gonna be there super soon, so we'll show you what's up when we get there. So we're just in the room. They've got fruit for us. These. I came yesterday and organized a little surprise.
You came yesterday?
Yeah, that's for you.
I thought you put that there.
What did you think it was?
You're joking.
No, it's something for you.
Well, let's find out what you got me. Oh, babe.
It's a pinky ring that you wanted. And it's got a crown on it because you're my king.
Oh.
And a necklace.
Cool, dice. Love it, babe.
Do you?
Yeah.
Well, this store, King Baby,
Yeah.
you follow them, I think. I went there yesterday before I came here and got you a present. Do you like it?
Yeah. Thank you.
That's Seba's new ring. Pinky ring.
I always wanted a pinky ring.
I did get him this, but I didn't even realize how short
How thick my neck is.
But maybe we can go back and swap it for something else.
Thanks, baby.
Mwah. We're gonna take an Instagram photo. Sorry that this is so booby, everyone. How nice is this dress?
I'm not.
This is how we do this. In one way I'm yours. In one way we're strangers. But I know for sure.
Go sit down. I hope you enjoyed that, you pervert.
So Sebi just took some photos of me. I haven't uploaded on my Instagram in 2 days, so I'm gonna upload one of those photos. And I think I'm gonna have a nap and we're gonna watch this TV. So we're not gonna do that much different than what we do at home. It's just like to have a change of scenery. Do you know what I mean, Jelly Bean? So we're just gonna watch The Haunting of Bly Manor. And then we've got dinner and then we're gonna come back and do the same thing tomorrow. Hang out in the room. Probably order dinner tomorrow night and then watch TV.
And edit.
Oh, and edit, because we're gonna edit this vlog. I need to like nap / chill now, so.
To show you, we just finished watching The Haunting at Bly Manor.
Yeah. Oh my god, look at the
one of the
cloud.
episodes, and we want to show you this view. It's just beautiful. Look at that view. Chloe's doing an IGTV, just finishing up. And we're about to hit the restaurant. Wow. That's my wife, guys.
Thank you.
This is our little area.
Just for us.
Yeah.
So it feels very safe and really separate.
Grass on both
Why
sides.
are you so far away from me, babe?
Oh, I don't know. Well, we have a little fire heater, little umbrella.
Got our drinks. Mojito for me.
Double shot,
Oh,
but that does not look like a double shot.
because the ice is like this big.
Maybe, but still.
Looks like I'm in it.
We just got the food.
Yep.
Oof. I ordered a age-dried ribeye.
Cooked so well.
Oh yeah, that's beautiful.
That looks so delicious.
And Chloe got meze. Is that what it's called?
Yes. Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh shit.
Right?
So they let us take the fruit back with us that we didn't finish because we're staying at the hotel. So now I'm just gonna get ready for bed, do my skincare, and then we're gonna have a good night's sleep and watch some scary movies.
Oh my gosh! Are you serious? What in the world? Baby, is that for me?
Yes.
Oh my god, what?
It's you.
Oh my god! I've never gotten roses before. This is insane. You're crazy.
You deserve
Oh
it.
my god. You gotta see
Look at
this.
this.
Dude.
This is for you, mi
Oh
amor.
my god. I've never gotten flowers before. Roses.
Yeah, well, they're the cheapest bunch.
the ones that are about to expire.
No, I was just like, yeah, add some greenery in there.
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Do you like it?
I really love it.
Yeah.
You're so
Now-
thoughtful.
I just wanted to do something cute.
Come on.
Isn't it nice?
It's really nice.
Aww.
Yeah, Mom. Thank you so much. You're the best.
Mwah. You deserve the best.
Wow.
My surprise worked. His surprise.
You're so cute.
Okay, we are back from dinner. We took photos and cleaned up all the petals. Now I've got to take off my makeup and do my skincare. So this is the part of the video I mentioned at the start in the intro. I'm working with Biossance, so I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite Biossance products. Let me firstly, I have to take my makeup off, so let me do that. This is just Face Halo Cherry Morello. So the first product that I usually apply in my skincare routine after my like mist or toner is usually eye cream. And so I'm gonna take some eye cream. My second or third jar maybe of this stuff. This is the Squalane and Marine Algae Eye Cream. This one has a marine algae peptide complex, and peptides are amazing ingredients. It helps to minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and it also delivers long-lasting hydration. And this one like immediately visibly lifts thanks to the paracress in it. And it's super smooth. It soaks right in, so it's great under makeup. Like I prefer creamy textures over gels, especially under my eyes, because otherwise things pill. So I love to have cream textures that like melt into the skin. Keeps your under eyes hydrated for such a long time. Like, not that I really suffer from dry under eyes anyway, but you know, the key to helping to prevent wrinkles, I feel is really just keeping the hydration and the moisture in. And then I'm gonna use a serum. This is the Squalane and Lactic Acid Resurfacing Night Serum. I love this. So I'm trying to use an acid just to get a gentle exfoliation while I sleep. I'm gonna put that on, and I like this one because I feel like you can feel it working. I'll put this on my neck too because I have tech neck. See the discoloration here? I actually think it might be like the muscles in my chin, but I'm just trying to like fade those and even out that area. So definitely trying to use an acid to treat my skin in the evening. And then something that I do, and then something that I usually do is I let that sit for like 3 minutes or a few minutes before I put my cream on. The cream I use right now is the Squalane and Omega Repair Cream. I really love this one from Biossance. I've been using this one for almost 2 years now. I feel like I never would have gone for something as rich. I feel like this is a really rich moisturizer. Like it is a face cream that deeply moisturizes skin. But now that I'm almost 30 and I live in a very dry climate, like I need the moisture and I want all the moisture. Before, I feel like I really didn't need it as much, but whoa, this is amazing. Like I probably went for their gel moisturizers before, but now I'm all about the deep hydration. So you can also feel this one in the texture. It has multi-lipids, so it really helps to retain moisture in your skin. And a trick that JD, my esthetician, told me is she just said to like spend your time really working the product into your skin rather than just putting it on really quickly, leaving it on. She suggested I do that with oil, but now I've been doing it with all my products, especially moisturizer, just like really working it in. And I feel like it's just a nice little like zen moment for me and making sure that my skin's really absorbing all the good ingredients. This one is so good at smoothing out rough texture, at plumping your skin. It really feels like a big glass of water. Like, no, coconut water, not even water. Coconut water for the skin. So the last thing that I'm gonna do is put on a little bit of oil. This is the squalane and vitamin C rose oil. I'm just gonna put that on top. Another trick that the team at Renaissance taught me is to seal everything in with the oil. I do find that makes a difference in like getting the hydration and the moisture to be soaked in. God, I almost choked myself then. Now, if you're interested in any of these products, guys, Biossance, I really recommend it. Like, it is, like, they have chemists that make the squalane. Their squalane is really sought after in the beauty industry. And like, they have chemists that are formulating their products in-house, which is pretty rare, I think, for skincare brands. So, because a lot of the time they like outsource their chemists and stuff. Yeah, so if you want to check out any of these products, there's 20% off with my code Chloe Morello. So yeah, visit the link below or go to biossance.com and use my code. And yeah, okay guys, I'm gonna head to bed now. Me and Seb are tired. I really put him through a lot today. Oh, Seb, you gotta come put your skincare on. Were you gonna go to bed without skincare, you dirty boy?
I've got to put my robe on.
Yeah, he's in his undies. Which I'm not opposed to, but I'm very opposed to you guys seeing it. Mostly because I'll get demonetized.
Good morning.
Oh my god, don't film me when I'm
Get up.
No, seriously.
Get up.
I'm serious.
It's 9 o'clock.
So?
I've been waiting 6:30 to
No, you
wake up.
haven't.
Yes, I have. No, I haven't. You're right. I woke up a minute ago. Let's order some food. I bet that'll wake you up. A little bit of food?
Yeah, but I'm gonna eat it in bed.
Okay. Let's call some food.
Where's the veggie?
We ordered room service because of coronavirus. They don't bring it like normal room service. They bring it kind of like takeaway and leave it in front of your room, but it's still really yummy. So we're just sitting on the bed, we're watching The Walking Dead on the easel TV. We ordered avocado on toast. I already ate half of that delicious bread from last night. Seba got pancakes and I'm having some of the pancakes too. It's really, really good. How do you feel?
Amazing.
Yeah?
I feel very loved.
Aw.
Thank you.
Seba and I have left the hotel really quickly because yesterday or the day before I bought him a gift from this store and the necklace is too short, so we're gonna go and change something to something else that he likes, and he's gonna die when he sees this store because it's very much his style.
Let's find out if she's right.
I like that one too. Cool. So Sebi got his presents and he got something extra, so let's do a little show and tell.
Are you ready for this?
So he got this cool bracelet that is like a motorcycle chain.
Look at that.
Look at that big chunky ring.
And it was so cool because the guy that served us is the son of the founder and designer of King Baby Jewelry, and he showed us the
they make everything.
factory, how they make everything. It was amazing to see. So if anyone else's boyfriend, husband's, friends, brothers style, whatever is similar to Seba's, this is amazing, all made here. Okay, now we're gonna go back to the hotel and chill out. You guys, very uneventful day after we got back from the store. Just been lazing about. Took some photos in the bed when the sun was setting. It was so nice. Look what I'm doing. Those rose petals from last night. This is gonna be so beautiful. Now it smells like roses. Thought I would show you. So this is my glam cord that I use for when I'm filming. It doesn't work very well. This cord like keeps breaking. This is some of my hair stuff that I've packed. So I've got like clips, my sleepy hair ties. If I wanted to do my hair, I brought some mousse or my clips, some of my jewelry. This is my Biossance skincare, my Givenchy Dahlia Divine perfume. This is where I keep my jewelry. This is a little roll, it rolls out. And then it's my lip balm that I've been wearing. I think it all looks so pretty up there. So I was taking a selfie here, so I arranged those all nicely. And now I'm gonna go in the bath. Oh my gosh. Maybe I'll have a glass of champagne. Although there's no mini bar in the rooms because of COVID, so I don't know, maybe I'll just have water. Who's messaging me? No.
Rose petals are in the bath.
I'm covered at the moment.
There you go. I'll put it like this.
Oh, that was the plug.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it smells like roses. Oh, it's smaller than I thought. Make sure my decency is respected.
It is.
Oh.
Looks very relaxing.
Guys, this is heaven. But I have a pervert just watching me.
I was taking pictures of you. Yeah, it sounds a little bit more perfect.
Thank you, Seba, for making this happen and for
Just sitting here like a pervert.
chaperoning me.
Love you.
Love you too. Do you want to get in?
No.
I think you'll overflow the tub.
Yeah.
We're watching The Walking Dead now and eating a sandwich that we ordered. Well, Seba got, what'd you get? Beef.
Yeah.
I got a baguette with chicken. However, we are eating while watching The Walking Dead, and if any of you have seen The Walking Dead, there's a lot of beheading, stabbing in the head, heads being slammed against rocks, and it's just not a good idea to eat at the same time, but I'm hungry and it's almost 10 p.m, so we're gonna make it work.
Is it 10?
Almost.
Whoa.
Quarter to 10. So, had a great day today. That bath was amazing. Took some really nice photos. Me and Seba hung out, watched some TV, watched a movie, got lunch. I mean, nothing exciting, but we've had a good time. Anyway, so we're gonna go to sleep soon, and I think this is the end of the vlog.
Yeah. It was
So-
really fun.
It was really fun. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.